Alright, other than filter with search, okay, you also can use advanced number filters, okay. So these advanced number filters allow you to manipulate numbered data in different ways. Alright, in this example, we will display only certain types of equipments based on the range of ID numbers, okay. So first, okay, select the data tab, okay, on the ribbon, and then okay, click filter command. Okay, so a drop down arrow, okay, will appear in the header cell for each columns. Okay, so click the drop down arrow for the column that you want to filter. In our example here, all right, we want to filter column A to view only certain range of ID numbers. Okay, so click the drop down arrow, and then the filter menu will appear. Alright, and then move your cursor over number filters. Okay, and then select the desired numbers filter, okay, from the drop down menu. In our example here, we will choose between to view ID numbers between a specific range. Okay, so we choose between. Okay, and then okay, so the custom auto filter dialog box will appear. Alright, enter the desired numbers, okay, to the right of each filter, then you click OK. Alright, so in our example, we want to filter for ID numbers greater than or equal to 3000 but less than or equal to 6000, which will display ID numbers in the 3000 until 6000 range. Okay, so we type here is a 3000. Okay, and okay, we choose n. All right, and then it's a 6000. Okay, so okay, all right, you click OK. All right, and then the data will be filtered by the selected number filter. Okay, so in our example here, only items with an ID number between 3000 and 6000 are visible.